Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa and today's video is going to be a updated Q&A. I haven't done one of these in a while. I posted on my Instagram for everyone to ask me questions and I actually got a lot more responses than I've gotten before, and that's like really exciting because I literally always tell people, I'm like, send me anything you want, I'm gonna answer it. It's fine. I'm not gonna expose you, I'm not gonna say who said what, like it's totally fine. So I have all the questions obviously on my phone and I did this just yesterday and I'm gonna be uploading it today. So we are going to go ahead and get started. I couldn't fit all of them like wouldn't fit on my Instagram, so I wrote some down on my paper, on this piece of paper, but I'm gonna just start with the ones on Instagram, and this is what it looked like. I just put this, you can't really see, oh that's awkward, hold on. This is what it looked like. So it was like ask me anything and like whatever, and people answered to it, so it's cool. So the first question, it's not really the first question because this is like from the top down, but whatever. This person said, to be honest, and I don't really know what to say. I don't know who you are. If I look on your Instagram, maybe I'll know who you are, but what's up? Subscribe to my channel. Next question says, my favorite drink, alcohol version. Well, okay, I'm just gonna say I love vodka. My favorite vodka is Deep Eddy's Lemon. A lot of people that know me know that I love Deep Eddy's Lemon. I could do water with it, lemonade, Sprite. It's so good. And honestly, you don't even really need anything to drink with it because it's just like a really, really strong lemonade flavor, which is really good. And that's like one of my favorites. Also, I love Twisted Tea. I never really knew what Twisted Tea was for a while. And then like a lot of people put me onto it, and it's basically just, if you don't know what it is, it's like, tastes like half and half iced tea with lemonade and sweet tea mix, but it's twisted, so it's Twisted Tea. Next question says, favorite food. My favorite food is Italian. I really, really love chicken parmesan and I love eggplant parmesan. And even though I work in an Italian restaurant, I really, really like chicken parm and eggplant parm, and I could get it anywhere else. I've always loved pasta. I don't like long noodles, don't like linguine or like spaghetti and none of that, because I don't like how much you have to chew it to like be able to like swallow the noodle, and like yeah, it's just too long. So I like short noodles and I like just pasta, Italian food altogether. Next question is, this is for people that like I work with. This is top 3 olive tree guys and girls. I would say, God, there's so many employees, dude. I hate you for asking me this question. I would say the top 3 girls is definitely, shoot, that's actually really hard. I'm gonna give more than 3 because like literally there's so many. Everyone at my job is beautiful, but I'm gonna say the top 3 girls is Kirsten, Sydney, Brooke, Madison, and Lauren Gray. That's what I give my top 3 girls. Top 3 guys, I would definitely go with Chris, S, Terrell, S. Those are my top 3 guys. Next question says, what is the age frame that you prefer to date? I actually thought about this one only because like, okay, age is just a number, and a lot of people like look at it differently, and like I respect everyone's like different preference and stuff, but I would say, I mean, I'm 21 years old, so I would say like for myself, I would go with like 35. That's probably the highest I would date. Nothing obviously below 21. And even some 21-year-olds that I know are like really, really immature still. And even some females that I know are still immature. Not that I would date a female, but like just saying, it's just very hard to like find people that are your age that actually mature and they know what they want in their life and like what, like actually know what they're doing like with themselves. Definitely nothing past 35 and nothing below 21. The next question says, how long have you been doing yoga? I've been doing yoga for almost a year, actually. I want to say like literally probably 10 months. I think, well, it'll be a year in October, so that's not 10 months, but it's close. I started in October, and I remember right around like Christmas time, I signed up for like their monthly membership to go anytime I want. I pay $98 a month, so it's actually pretty cheap. I've heard that's actually a pretty cheap membership compared to a lot of other yoga studios. Do you want to have kids? Or when would you want to get married? Yes, I definitely want to have kids. Max, probably 2. Depending, I don't know. I think I definitely want 2 kids. And maybe 1 boy, 1 girl would be really, really nice. Or 2 boys, 2 girls. Doesn't really matter. Whatever I have, I would love them. And would I want to get married? Yes. I do think that like a lot of people look at things differently, and I really am telling you guys, I look at like a lot of stuff differently. Marriage is like a piece of paper, and just like, you know, a degree is a piece of paper. If I want to spend the rest of my life with somebody, yes, marriage is an option, but it's just like, I feel like it's just so much money, I feel, and I think that like a lot of people, it's like overrated at this rate, and especially my generation. I was born in 1998, and the way that I see things now, like even for kids, like it just makes me like not want to have kids, but I do want to have kids. But just the way the world is going right now, it's just actually really going downhill. But to stay positive in all of this, I definitely would want to get into marriage, but it would probably take me a really long time to feel like to feel that I know that I want to get married to this specific person. Because like I want to travel a lot more, and I want to do a lot of things before I settle down, and I have a lot of things in my mind that I would like to conquer. So the next question says, did you ever do something illegal? Yes, I have, but I really don't know if I should share that on YouTube. I mean, it wasn't like that bad, honestly. It was like a really long time ago. I stole from Walmart. I mean, stealing is legal, so yeah, I stole from Walmart, and sometimes I don't wear my seatbelt. Like, I don't know. I don't do like really bad stuff. The next question says, do you smoke? No, I don't. I do have a vape. I have a Soaring Edge that I carry around with me everywhere, but it's not like one of those things I'm just continually just hitting it like when I want to hit it. It's like a social thing. If I go out to a bar or if I go out to a party, I have my vape. It's just whatever. Next question says, are you single? Yes, I'm single right now. I'm literally just doing what makes me happy, not really worried about being in a relationship at the moment. It's kind of go with the flow of things, honestly. It just, wherever life takes me, I'm just going, and it's just that, you know what I mean? It's just, being in a relationship is definitely fun, but so is being single. So like, I don't know, which one would you want to do? I don't know. The next question says, how old are you? I'm 21. I did say that earlier. The next question is, what is your ethnicity? So I'm just black and white. My mom is black, or my mom is white. My dad was black. Yes, I'm just mixed. It's funny because a lot of people think I'm like from the islands or something like that, because I get really tan. But I don't know, a lot of people can tell that I'm mixed, but sometimes like not everybody knows. I've gotten asked if I was like Dominican or Spanish, or you know, some type of like somewhere from like some island, but no, I am not. The next question is, do I have any siblings? Yes, there's 4 of us total, including myself. So I have an older brother. He is 28. My older sister is 24. I'm 21, and then my little brother is 18. So we're all kind of 4 years apart. We were born 4 years apart, but you know how the months go, you can be like 3 years apart, but like someone's birthday is coming up soon, and then it puts us all back to 4. Last question, did you graduate from college? No, I actually did not graduate from college, because I went for 2 years, and I actually am in the process of getting my associate's degree, because I have a plan for my yoga and I want to get that done as soon as I can. I definitely should probably get that soon. And then my opinion with like school, just really quickly, is that like I said earlier, a degree is a piece of paper, and I literally, guys, know so many people that like have graduated with their bachelor's or their master's, and they're still trying to find a job that they majored in. It's so hard to find one, and I just feel like, why would you put yourself through so much just to like not even get the job that you want, your dream job or whatever? I feel like if, for example, people that are like in nursing school and that are taking nursing classes, they know exactly what's gonna happen when they're out. They're gonna become a nurse, okay? And then let's say if your major is like criminal justice, or your major is communications or whatever, you're like, okay, well, I have a wide range of jobs that I could apply for, so where do I start? Which one do I do? Like, I don't know, I just feel like it's a lot for one person to handle. I did take prereqs for nursing, but I decided that I did not want to do that. I don't know where life's gonna take me. Maybe I will decide to go back, but right now I do have a set plan on what I want to do, but I'm definitely going to be going back to school to get my associates. I actually don't have to go back to school. I just have to like apply for it and then just get it, and then I'll just move on with my life. But those are the only questions that I got, but it's actually kind of a good updated one, just because I had another one that I'll link below, or I'll have at the end of the video, so you guys can see if there's any other questions that maybe I didn't get asked and you wanted to know, or you can just comment down below and ask any questions that you like. But yeah, my battery is actually about to die, and yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and thank you so much for asking questions. I got a lot more than I did last time, a lot of like better in-depth ones, so thank you so much, guys. Take care and subscribe below. Tell your friends about me, okay? Cool. Bye.